Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel and activate the bell to receive all new updates from Make Money. Affiliate marketing has become a popular and lucrative online business model, allowing individuals and companies to earn commissions by promoting products or services. However, the success of affiliate marketing heavily relies on driving traffic to affiliate links. This topic explores the crucial role of traffic in the success of affiliate marketing and how it impacts the profitability and sustainability of affiliate businesses. Generating clicks and conversions. Traffic serves as the lifeblood of affiliate marketing, as it directly impacts the number of clicks and conversions generated. Without a consistent flow of visitors to affiliate links, there will be limited opportunities for potential customers to engage with the promoted products or services. By driving targeted traffic to affiliate links through various channels, such as search engines, social media, email marketing, and content marketing, affiliates increase their chances of generating clicks and conversions, ultimately leading to higher commissions. Targeting the right audience. Effective traffic generation in affiliate marketing involves targeting the right audience. Affiliates need to identify and understand their target market's preferences, needs, and purchasing behaviors. By utilizing strategies such as keyword research, audience segmentation, and demographic targeting, affiliates can attract relevant traffic that is more likely to convert. Targeted traffic ensures that the affiliate's promotional efforts are reaching the right people, maximizing the potential for successful conversions. Building authority and trust. Traffic plays a crucial role in building authority and trust in the affiliate marketing space. Affiliates who consistently drive high-quality traffic and provide valuable content to their audience establish themselves as trusted sources of information and recommendations. By consistently delivering valuable insights, product reviews, and recommendations, affiliates can build a loyal following and gain the trust of their audience, increasing the likelihood of conversions and repeat business. Leveraging multiple traffic sources. Successful affiliate marketers understand the importance of diversifying their traffic sources. Relying solely on a single traffic channel can be risky, as changes in algorithms, policies, or user behaviors can drastically affect traffic flow. By leveraging multiple traffic sources such as organic search, social media platforms, paid advertising, influencer collaborations, and email marketing, affiliates can mitigate risks and reach a broader audience. Diversifying traffic sources also allows affiliates to test and optimize their strategies, identifying the most effective channels for driving conversions. Long-term growth and sustainability. Sustainable success in affiliate marketing requires a consistent and reliable flow of traffic. Affiliates who invest in long-term traffic generation strategies, such as search engine optimization, content creation, and building an engaged email list, lay the foundation for sustained growth. By continuously attracting new visitors and nurturing existing relationships, affiliates can create a steady stream of traffic that leads to ongoing commissions and a thriving affiliate business. Traffic is a critical component of the success of affiliate marketing. It drives clicks, conversions, and commissions while allowing affiliates to target the right audience, build authority, and establish trust. By leveraging multiple traffic sources and investing in long-term growth strategies, affiliates can maximize their earning potential and create sustainable businesses in the dynamic and competitive world of affiliate marketing. Here are a few additional points to further explore the role of traffic in the success of affiliate marketing. Tracking and optimization. Traffic plays a vital role in tracking and optimizing affiliate marketing campaigns. By analyzing traffic data, affiliates can gain insights into the effectiveness of their promotional efforts, identify high-performing traffic sources, and make data-driven decisions to optimize their campaigns. Tracking metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and average order value allows affiliates to refine their strategies, target the most profitable traffic sources, and maximize their overall ROI. Relationship building and networking. Traffic in affiliate marketing not only drives conversions, but also facilitates relationship building and networking opportunities. Affiliates often collaborate with other marketers, influencers, and industry experts to expand their reach and tap into new traffic sources. By networking with relevant individuals and entities in their niche, affiliates can leverage their connections to gain exposure to new audiences, access exclusive promotional opportunities, and build mutually beneficial partnerships that enhance their overall success. Staying ahead of industry trends, traffic patterns and user behavior are constantly evolving in the digital landscape. Successful affiliate marketers stay informed about industry trends and adapt their traffic generation strategies accordingly. By staying ahead of the curve, affiliates can position themselves as early adopters of emerging traffic channels or tactics, allowing them to capitalize on new opportunities and gain a competitive edge. Keeping a pulse on industry trends helps affiliates adjust their strategies, tailor their content, and optimize their campaigns to align with the changing preferences and behaviors of their target audience. Driving engagement and building a community. Traffic not only brings visitors to affiliate links, but also enables affiliates to engage with their audience and build a community around their niche. By creating valuable content, encouraging discussions, and fostering interactions through comments, social media, or forums, affiliates can establish a loyal following and build a community of like-minded individuals. This engaged community can not only drive traffic through word-of-mouth referrals, but also provide valuable feedback, insights, and support, further enhancing the success of affiliate marketing endeavors. Continuous learning and adaptation. In the dynamic world of affiliate marketing, traffic generation requires continuous learning and adaptation. Affiliates need to stay updated on the latest marketing strategies, traffic generation techniques, and industry best practices. By investing in their knowledge and skill development, affiliates can enhance their ability to attract and convert traffic effectively. Adapting to changing algorithms, consumer behavior, and technological advancements ensures that affiliates remain relevant and competitive in the ever-evolving affiliate marketing landscape. In conclusion, traffic plays a multifaceted role in the success of affiliate marketing. It drives clicks, conversions, and commissions while also facilitating relationship building, community engagement, and continuous learning. By targeting the right audience, optimizing campaigns, tracking metrics, and staying ahead of industry trends, affiliates can leverage traffic to maximize their earning potential and create sustainable businesses in the dynamic world of affiliate marketing.